What's going on, everybody? It's your boy D, back with you once again, and today I'm gonna take you on a trip with me that I did a couple months ago, and that was down to San Diego. That was out to California, down to San Diego, California. I was actually in LA visiting family and decided to take a quick trip down to San Diego. Now, in case you don't know, I've repped BlendersEyewear since almost since the beginning of my YouTube channel, and so last year, or actually a couple years ago, I actually went out to San Diego to visit the Blenders headquarters, the old Blenders headquarters. And so this time I wanted to go back because they actually have a new facility. And like I said before, I strongly believe in this company. The glasses that they have, that I have up here on now, but the glasses that they have are so affordable and they are so awesome. And Chase Fisher, the CEO, this dude, he was selling sunglasses out of his backpack, you know, a few years ago, I think in 2012. And so now this place has blown up. They have a larger building down in San Diego near the Mission Beach area, or Pacific Beach. And so I just wanted to take you guys along. I know this is a little bit different than my car vlogs, but I've done this before. And so just something a little bit different. So I hope you guys enjoy this. So everybody, come with me and take a trip to Blenders headquarters.
Alright everybody, this is D. I am here in beautiful Southern California, Los Angeles to be specific. And so right now, we're about to head on down to San Diego, California, my old stomping grounds like I told you before. And I'm going to end up once again visiting the new Blenders headquarters and check it out. Hopefully we'll get to see Chase and Mack and Mary and of course Lexi. So let's get on down there. Alright everybody, so here I am. The good Blenders headquarters. And so if you follow my channel for any amount of time, you know that I support Blenders 100%. I'm actually a brand rep for Blenders, and I was here probably about a year and a half ago to the old Blenders headquarters, but here we are right now. We got my man, Mack. What's going on, baby? How you doing? What's going on, brother? How you doing, man? Good to see you.
Good to see
everybody.
you.
This is the man Mack. Y'all remember him from the last vlog. So how's it been going, man?
It's been going great, man. Just what you're about to see here in our new retail space and in our office, you guys are gonna be freaking out, dude. We are growing so fast.
Awesome. And y'all remember last time I was at the old office, and it was probably just kind of a room that had a couple of areas that was sectioned off and everybody worked inside there. So this is their new headquarters, and it is, just from looking from the side, it's freaking awesome. I haven't even seen the front of it, so let's go check it out.
Let's go.
Do it.
Hey.
Damn, bro. This is nuts. Everybody, this is crazy. Let me come up here. Let me.
Yeah,
don't worry about it.
You gotta soak it in, dude.
Yeah, man.
You gotta sweep the whole joint.
Dang. Everybody, look how bananas this is. Crazy, crazy. Got the whole store here. Like, this is nuts. Dang. They've come up in the world, everybody.
Come on in.
Let's go, let's do it. Live Buddy's got the good North Park. Look at that. Cardiff, we got some of the Millennia collection. This is amazing. Look at this, it's even got little records. That is sweet. You guys have, this is awesome. And so now, like I told you before, you guys were with me for the last vlog that I did. I was here in San Diego, Pacific Beach area, probably about 1.5 years, 2 years ago, and so I visited the Blenders headquarters at that time, and so checked it out real quick. So now we're in a whole new facility. I mean, look at this. It's like everything is super, super vibrant. You have this big screen that is doing a little bit of, you know, some of the things that Mack has created. Like, it is ridiculous. So you have some of the newer frames that are here, and also some of the older ones. You got your North Park. You have your wire frames here. It's just ridiculous. You have some of your newer styles that are going to be coming out. You got your old school, you got your high class Jets. You got a couple new brands or new variants that's only being sold here in the store right now. This is some of the new. You got the Wayfarer. And so this is just pretty nuts. And so look at this, you got these are your A-class. These are, I believe, are the new Empire frames that they got coming out that they're selling here now in the store. I don't believe they have them online yet. And so you have a couple newer frames that haven't even been vetted yet. And you can see here, they're doing a quick survey. And so the survey is just asking a couple questions. People will pay for this. You know, what do you think of the material? And then what type of activities would you wear these for? So take a look at those new brands, new styles that Blenders is always known for being innovative and just coming up with different things. Crazy how super busy they are. As you can see right now, I'm rocking the new Romeo collection. These are the Stonebreakers. And I love them. I'm a big fan of the tortoise shell type glasses and everything. And remember, all the glasses that they sell are 100% UV protected. They may not all be polarized, but they are UV protected. Like I said right there, these are the ones that I have on the Stonebreakers. I actually just bought these ones right here. These are the Velvet K's Stonebreakers, and I have the Bermuda Bombs as well. Yeah, it's just nuts.
Yeah, and like this frame, which so it's the upgrade.
And those Monarchs. Look at those Monarchs, everybody. Those are pretty badass, like, if I do say so myself. Vanessa, how are you doing?
How are you?
Awesome. Good seeing you again.
A year later.
Right? How are you doing? I'm doing very well. Justin, brother.
What's up, dude?
What's going on, man? How you been?
Man?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. What are you doing here?
Not much, just kind of hanging out. Of course, always
get
vlogging.
us
What's going on, everybody? Y'all remember Justin and Vanessa?
Yeah.
What's going on?
What's up?
Having an awesome time here, man. Mack was showing me around a little bit.
Nice.
So, what? The Mack man? So yeah, just seeing the new digs and everything like that, it's like nuts. It's crazy.
How much thicker is this pad?
Dude, it's bananas. So I've just been walking around and my jaw's just been on the ground the whole time. And then they were telling me that you guys are kind of almost outgrowing this already.
Yeah.
That's nuts, but it's a good thing, and at least you're not outgrowing what you were in before, and you got this many.
Yeah.
That would be bad, but 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 that's a good thing.
No, that's a good thing. That's a good problem to have.
It is. So, but yeah, I'm just like, totally like,
I know.
totally like out there. This is just awesome.
Yeah,
This is awesome.
You're so sweaty.
Yeah.
Hey, you never can cool
Yeah,
down.
definitely. That's where we were just walking around. Mack, he took me to the back and everything. I'm gonna go say what's up to Chase real quick and say.
I think he's over there.
Yeah. Oh, where? Over here.
Over on this side of the room.
Oh yeah. So
he's on his
but
lunch.
yeah, it's
Perfect.
always he was heating something up when I saw him earlier. But yeah, it's are you guys kind of doing you still doing the domestic, international domestic sales?
Yeah. So I still manage all the B2B stuff.
Yeah.
You're still working with Murray?
Designing,
Yeah, you're still working with Murray?
Sadly, he's been.
Murray's been
It's a rest.
on retirement. Murray's in retirement at this point.
No, that's not fair. It's not fair.
We'll make him a special edition comeback.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. As long as I can deal with that.
Maybe a Murray clause might be coming out for holiday time.
But I tell you, I have no less than probably 200 Murray stickers. So I'm not
Save
gonna
up
lose.
those Murray stickers.
Yeah.
They're a hot commodity. You can probably sell them online now.
Right? Like no joke.
eBay
I have probably
aftermarket Murray's.
I have probably 200 of those. No joke. No joke.
Mermaid
So,
Marines.
yeah.
Classic.
Yeah.
Is it? So now I know, and now I will be sticking them over on everywhere in people's lunch bottles.
And the
stuff like
original
that.
ones were like made on paper stickers, so they were made on like the plastic, and so they deteriorate.
So awesome. So it's just been an awesome time coming back, visiting all the blenders guys and gals here, and just seeing how this place has exploded and them moving into their new place. It warms my heart. It totally does. This is just so awesome.
Because of awesome fans like you guys.
I appreciate it, man. That's why I became a brand rep, man. That's why I became a brand rep. So, of course, always use DAMT20 for 20% off your order. Gotta always give us a plug. But it's good seeing you guys.
Yeah,
Awesome.
Always a pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be around.
What you got? It's the man, the myth, the legend, everybody. Everybody remembers Chase, the CEO of this awesome place. This is crazy just how you guys have blown up, everybody. Like, I've been showing you around the building and everything like that, but just thinking about the old spot to now.
Oh,
dude, you guys are killing it.
Lemonade stand to powerhouse, you know.
You guys are killing it. So, how's everything going? I'll ask anyway, even though since I'm seeing the business good.
Business is good.
Business
is good. It's sunglass season, baby.
Yeah, right. Look at those Empire collection.
New Empires, yes.
New Empires. Like I said, I've been kind of walking around. Some of the things that aren't online yet, they are actually here at the Blenders headquarters here in San Diego. Dope glasses.
Oh,
they're so
likewise, my man. Likewise.
Dope. I had to rock my Stonebreakers. I love them.
These are
like
a little bit more edgy, a little bit more squared up.
Yes.
They're a little bit more like pointy. Those are a little bit bigger.
And I like those are gonna do good. I think it's gonna do very well. But like I said, my man Chase here, he's the one that's put all this together. He's and like I said, they've been just killing it, rocking it, and this place, you guys are already almost like outgrowing this place.
I know, we're trying to get the backspace now. There's tenants back there now, and so we're kind of in a position where if we want to hire more people, we gotta like blow out the back area and build out some more space. So
that's a good problem to have, I think.
Hopefully,
You're just growing and growing and growing. So you guys they're about to take over San Diego. They've already taken over San Diego.
So we're still trying to do it.
Good seeing you again, brother.
Thanks so much.
Take it easy. Go ahead and do your CEO stuff.
Right.
I'm out of here. All right, brother.
Thank you.
All right. That's the man to know then. Everybody take a look at that. Aren't even out yet. These should be out in what you say, about a month or so?
Yeah. Let me show you.
Sweet. Aren't even out yet, everybody. This is an exclusive.
Show you some.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. These haven't even. These are like the black.
Oh, are those the Empire joints?
Yeah.
Look at that. Everybody, this is going to be part of your Empire collection. I don't even think these are online yet, right?
No.
Yeah. So in order to get these, you got to come here to San Diego and grab these guys up. This is so badass. You can't even, look at that. You can't even get them yet. So this is nuts. Sweet. Awesome, man. Damn. Are those the same, or they're just kind of like the tortoise shell ones?
Yeah, these are the tortoise ones.
Yeah, I like those. I think Mack had me trying a pair of those out there. Those things. I don't know what it is, but anything that's like a tortoise shell or
they're cool,
like
yeah.
this, I love it. Bam. Look at that, everybody. You got the tortoise shell. Just looks so good. Mouth.
Sick,
You
dude.
know, so yeah.
Spreading the hype.
Trying to,
That's
you
what's
know,
up.
trying to. So, but it's easy when you believe in a brand. So, you know what I mean? Everybody, Lexi thought she was gonna get away, but she can never get away from me. This is, this is my, oh, I gotta turn it around. This is my best friend, Lexi, here at Blenders. How are you doing today?
Doing very well.
Looking good, you know.
Thank you.
Oh, congratulations on your
Yeah, I'm wearing my workout ring today,
Oh,
but
but
I'm
that's
getting
okay.
married next year. So
next
that's
year.
cool.
So there you go. I
Yeah.
actually just proposed to my girlfriend Saturday.
Oh my gosh!
So nobody knows about it. You're like one of the first people to know.
Can I give you a hug?
You can.
Oh my gosh! Congratulations!
Thank you.
I'm so happy
Yeah,
for you.
it happened up in Long Beach, and so I took her on a little gondola ride.
What?
It was me proposing to her.
That's so cute.
Yeah, so it was
Oh my
awesome. It was
gosh.
awesome. So I'm probably not gonna put that in the vlog, but until other people know. But yeah, so this is so this is just been an awesome visit. I'm here until probably another 2 or 3 days. But,
Okay, cool.
yeah. But good seeing you again.
Yeah,
like I
nice to
said,
see you.
this is my friend Lexi. Everybody, she is so awesome. Customer success.
Look how big our room is
This is
now.
crazy.
I know.
Crazy. You had like I think the customer success one over on the other place was just like your desk and maybe one more desk.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that was like it.
Mara's out today. Wish you could see her.
Ah, that's crazy.
But it's okay. Yeah, now we have this entire room.
Yeah, this is no. So, just wanted to say, what's up? This is Mary.
hello,
This is
guys.
she kind of reins all of us reps in and kind of keeps us in line.
I try.
Because we can get a little rowdy, you know. So, but she keeps everything together. So, how are you doing?
Pretty good.
Awesome.
Busy.
Awesome.
Staying very busy.
Yeah, I can see, and
Yeah.
this is going to be your guys' real first test this summer. This is going to be your first summer that you guys are here in this new location. So that's probably pretty awesome.
It's a little scary, but no, it's good for us. That means we're growing. So
Exactly,
yeah,
exactly. So
things to come.
remember, everybody, BlendersEyewear.com, DANT20. That's my code for 20% off. Just want to let you know. So,
Gotta get that in.
yeah, right. Awesome.
Good seeing you.
Meeting you.
Yeah, I know. This is awesome.
Yeah, totally. And then the Mack man, everybody. Thank
up,
you
dude?
so very much, brother, for giving me a quick tour of everything. I appreciate it, and yeah, let's keep rocking it, man. Keep killing it.
Yes, you too. Hold up.
So, uh oh. Look at him.